There's a point where wiping a stain just isn't enough. And if you've ever dealt with that moment, you'll understand why this compact cleaner is getting so much attention right now. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bissell Little Green multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, Model 1400B. This is a compact, portable deep cleaning machine designed for targeted messes. Think pet stains, car interiors, sofas, stairs, and small carpet areas. It's not meant to replace a full-size carpet cleaner, but rather to solve the everyday cleaning problems that most homes face more frequently. If you have pets, kids, or simply want a practical way to maintain fabric surfaces without the bulk of larger machines, this product sits right in that sweet spot. You'll find a purchase link in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy. Bissell Little Green multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. The biggest advantage here is focused cleaning power in a compact form. The spray, scrub, and suction system works together to lift stains not just from the surface, but from within the fibers. In real-world use, this means you're not just masking a spill, you're actually removing it. For small but frequent messes, this approach is significantly more effective than manual cleaning methods. Portability is where this machine truly stands out. Weighing far less than traditional carpet cleaners, it's easy to carry from room to room, upstairs, or even out to your car. That flexibility makes it particularly useful for upholstery and auto detailing, areas that are often neglected because full-size machines are simply too inconvenient to use. The 48-ounce clean water tank offers a practical balance between capacity and size. You can clean multiple spots or a full car interior without constantly refilling, which improves the overall experience. It's a small detail, but it contributes to a smoother, less interrupted cleaning session. The cleaning performance is supported by Bissell's triple action formula, designed to break down stains and eliminate odors at the source. This is especially important for pet owners, where odor control matters just as much as visible cleanliness. It's also worth noting that this model is trusted by many 5-star reviewers, reflecting consistent user satisfaction over time. There's also a meaningful value beyond functionality. Bissell supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, contributing to efforts that help save homeless pets. For buyers who appreciate brands with a purpose, this adds a layer of emotional value without affecting the product's practical performance. Final verdict. The Bissell Little Green is not a replacement for a full carpet cleaning system, and it's not designed for large-scale deep cleaning across entire rooms. But that's not its role. Where it excels is in convenience, precision, and reliability for everyday messes. It's best suited for pet owners, families, and anyone who wants a dependable, easy-to-use solution for upholstery, stairs, and vehicle interiors. What makes it stand out is how effectively it combines portability with genuine cleaning performance, something many compact cleaners struggle to achieve. If your cleaning needs are frequent but localized, this is a smart, practical investment. Take a moment to check the link in the description, consider how it fits into your routine, and choose with confidence.